What's up, my boos? It's your girl Tasha back with another hair video, y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Run it up for your girl so I can be motivated to keep pushing out the content, y'all. It's 2025 and your girl is trying to accomplish these hair goals. So look, it's right after my hot oil treatment. I've been sitting under my little cap for about an hour. And your girl is about to hop in and do my budget-friendly wash day routine. Now look, I've been natural for a long time. And I've tried a lot of products, very expensive products and very cheap products. And this one right here, this is one of my cheap products that your girl loves. This is like my go-to shampoo and conditioner that I use. So come along with me. Let's hop in the shower real quick. See, your girl got her swimsuit top on. Let's hop in the shower real quick and wash this hair, detangle it. And yeah, let me give y'all, put y'all up on a little game real quick, okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. I drip oil everywhere. Y'all see all the oil that's in that cap. I sat under my little heating cap for about an hour. Get all this oil out and clean this scalp because it's itching, y'all. It's itching. It's time to wash it. It's definitely time. Okay. Condition first. So I condition my hair twice when I wash it. I condition it to detangle it, then I'm going to shampoo it, and then condition it again. So this is the shampoo and conditioner I like to use. It's the Aussie Moist, y'all. It's $5 for that big bottle and like $2 something for the smaller one. The conditioner is so bomb. It has so much slip and it makes it so easy to detangle your hair. Now your girl likes to use a lot of conditioner. I use a lot of conditioner, y'all, because yeah, I'm not trying to struggle combing my hair out and the conditioner helps, so I use a ton. Okay, so now I finger part my hair down the middle, put it in 2 sections, and then comb it out, comb each section out. Just makes it a little bit easier to detangle it. Then I twist that one section and go on over to the second section to get that side combed out. I'll see how like when you try to comb it out, it's like finger detangling. That's the best way. You know how when you finger detangle, you do this. This is exactly what this brush is like. Like finger detangling your hair, which is way better for your hair than just combing it out. All the products that I use in my video, I'm going to link in my Amazon storefront. So make sure y'all go check out your girl's Amazon storefront to find all my products. Okay, y'all, and this is the Aussie Moist shampoo. This is the smaller bottle. This bottle is like $2.50, I want to say. And then I'm only going to put this on my roots. I'm only going to wash my roots with the shampoo and just let the water run down on the rest of my hair. So I'm going to scrub my scalp real good with the shampoo and let that get in there. Ooh, your girl got soap in her eye, y'all. Okay, so now I'm about to go back in and condition my hair again and detangle it for the last time. Now y'all heard me say I like to use a lot of conditioner. Your girl is getting to the end of the bottle, so we have to go ahead and take that top off and pour that thing out. So my hair is squeaky clean and conditioned. Woo! Okay, so that is your girl's budget-friendly wash day routine. If you have any questions, leave them for me down in the comment section below, or if you have a budget-friendly wash day routine yourself, woo, let your girl know what it is down in the comment section below. I am about to blow dry my hair and do a length check, y'all, because you can't, I gotta do a length check. I gotta blow dry it first though. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair and do a length check. Make sure y'all come back for that video. That will be the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe on this one. Run them likes up so YouTube can push your girl's hair content out. If y'all want to continue to keep saying it, get it to 500 likes. Get the videos to 500 likes, y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And your girl will catch you in the next video. Is you cool? Okay. Your girl gonna catch y'all in the next video. Bye.